Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert image into arrow shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your arrow shape. Now in this video, convert image into arrow shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Then choose arrow shape. Now for click, then draw a arrow shape. Now we can see convert image into arrow shape. Now going to the shape fill option and click for a shape outline. Now click for no outline, then click for a shape fill option, then click for picture option. Now going to the from a file. Now find your picture. Now for click, then click for insert option. That is. Then we can say convert image into arrow shape in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.